nagbabagyo.
Hello! Hindi lang ang tao.
Ayaw ko nga. Hey. So here my phone keeps falling because I was just putting it somewhere that's not a stable thing to put my phone at. I don't have a phone holder. It's kind of funny in that part, and I'm so hungry. I just wanted to pick a ramen at that time. This restaurant is so fancy. Santo Paso.
Hindi magaganda na lang muna ako.
Shio. Gusto ko sana to, kaya lang takay.
Hindi na. Treat ko na yan sa'yo.
Wait. Excuse me po. Order na po. Wala kasing doorbell.
Doorbell?
Eh, di table bell. Ewan ko. May allergy ko.
Oh no, love. Nag-pick ka. Eh, nakakatayo.
Naka-video ko.
O sige, upload mo. Ikaw yung sinasabihan ko eh. Lang mo. Sabi ko, nagko-Korean ako, tas nasa Japanese restaurant tayo.
Uy. Galing na mo. Diba ganyan ang hawak na? Pangat ng kuko ko.
Yung ba yan? Ang dami kong gusto ikwento kasi
Yun. Thank you. Ooh. Thank you. So there we ate at Hokkaido Ramen Santoka, if I'm saying it right, I'm not sure, but the food was great. I love the seafood ramen. It was so plenty. It's in very generous amount. Not bad for the pricey amount. You know, it's a fine dining Japanese restaurant. I could say I love how it has the seafood, all the combination. I love it. And also I love the cheese gyoza so much. I miss it. And I know that Jun also enjoyed his spicy, I think it's a spicy ramen, if I could recall what we ordered back then, or was it Shio? I can't really recall back then, but the only thing I didn't really like was the free black tea. I'm not really into drinking tea, but of course it's a complimentary drink. But we enjoyed our stay at that fine dine. Yeah, bitaw me.
Ow! Roma.
This is our
Vegan.
coffee.
Vegan. Can you check the freezer?
Saan na? Okay. Ayun, doon tayo kumain kanina. Dessert time. Thanks, wow. Thank you. Here's our first time in La Creperie. I think that's what it's called. La Creperie. Not sure how it's pronounced, but I ordered the vanilla crepe cake, and he ordered just the banana chocolate crepe, I think, and we shared the same coffee. I forgot what the coffee was it, but yeah, we had water, and it looks fancy, and it was nice. I liked the taste because I wasn't feeling well that day, and it wasn't too sweet, and I really liked it. And I know June also enjoyed his crepe, and both pastries are excellent, and I know that they were made fresh, and we just had a conversation, and then we went home after that. Bili na tayo ng wing. Ito lang, para malapit lang and convenient.
So, safe siya dito.
Oo, hindi talaga matatanggal. Mas maganda yung medyo masikip.
Oo. Diba? Ito kasi maluwag dito na only. Hindi masikip din. Ayan. Pero dito, mas comfy ako dito talaga.
Oo.
Alam ko na, pag magsuswitch ka ng hand, dapat nakaupo ka or safe.
Oo, ayan.
Para all, ganyan.
Ayan, ayan.
Hindi na ako rin.
Ayos, may balay van pa. Gutom yan. There I am with my wedding dressmaker, Joanne, from Parmes, and we're at a bathroom from SM Aura's 4th floor Directors Club CR, whatever. It's just so cute and so unique. Even the male's bathroom, that's from June's POV. He got it filmed, and I just requested it from him. Oh, it's so cute. Ah. Finally, naabutan yung high street na may kainan. Ilang beses na kasi, oh no, wala, I wanna try that, oh. I wanna try that, please. I wanna try. Yeah.
Even mean?
Ang bango. May food. Oh no, I want that.
Yun na lang yung hihintayin mo, di ba?
Aha.
Ay, hindi mo itong nasa pagkakaan.
Tingin nga nung sa'yo. Wow, Cheetos. After nang bumili ng sing-sing, magsukat ng wedding dress, we're gonna unwind sa muna. Kasi bukas, final meeting na with the coordinator. Party muna kami dalawa.
Video?
Video?
Aray!
Ayan. wala akong phone.
Tangina. Tama na.
Ayaw, wait.
Hindi na pa.
Wait, no.
Oh, tangina!
Willie, pakis. Okay, we're now on our way to our final meeting with our wedding coordinator. And dala ko yung clear book. It's been a bit stressful dahil sa bank issue. Pero, yeah, after pumarty and pag-fit ng dress yesterday, bumili ng rings. Ngayon naman, final meeting with the stylist and the coordinator. Ay, kaya today. Tapos balik tomorrow na naman ang work. So, after naman mag-meeting about the wedding, ayan, after ng final meeting, grocery naman. Donut. Nagpupunta tayo sa mall, pasara na ngayon. Bagong bukas pa lang.
Yes. Ang advantage, konti pa lang tao. And the fact na Sunday ngayon, konti talaga mga tao lang.
Yay! Finally, it's so cold here. Because I don't eat corn. Too many corn. Don't eat corn. Yay, may gyoza.
Help me.
Mm. Mm. Sarap. Some cheese.
May time ba tayo mag-deposit?
2:30 at mas okay. Popcorn! Yay! Nakabili na tayo ng ticket. We're gonna buy wedding flowers naman. For the bouquet! Let's go! Turns out, ang layo pala. Sa gateway to pa yung ano, sa gateway to pa yung Wicked Atmos. God. Ah, so dito pa din na lang dito mag-redeem. O kaya gusto mo ano tanong natin?
Ikaw naman. Pili po tayo ng breakfast nila. Pin. Okay na po yung pin.
ng popcorn. Haba ng pila. As before we watch Wicked. Ooh, dito malamig. Oh, wow, go. Oh. Tayo dito sa sine. Gateway to Cineplex. Oh, nice. Anong ano tayo? F7, F6? Ito maliwanag pa. Hindi ganun kahirap. F. Ah, dito. Ito, diba? Ay. F. 7. 7, 6, diba? This is us before weekend.
Tapos mamaya after.
And this is us after.
Yeah!
Ang ganda.
Nasakog na yung pantog ko.